Good afternoon from Skopje, North Macedonia. Today we are flying aboard with Airbus 321 from SKP Airport to HAM Airport in northern Germany. It should have been a regular flight, but it's turned into something else. Many of these people standing for check-in still don't know about the incident at HAM Airport. 4th of November at 8 p.m. an armed man drove through the security barrier and onto the tarmac at HAM Airport. He shot a weapon twice in the air and threw burning bottles from his vehicle. One of the most decisive details, he has a kid in the car. At the moment of filming, it's the 5th of November, 1 p.m. local time. The gunman is still there. I was pretty sure the flight would be cancelled, but I drove to the airport to test my luck. SKP Airport is similar to most Balkan airports, with not many departures during the day and a limited number of gates. We can safely say you won't get much space while flying on an Airbus 321 CEO. You can check out my Wizz Air Abu Dhabi trip report. That time it wasn't a new either. Wizz Air's catering options are very basic and won't surprise you in any case. I decided to get just a bottle of water because I'd already tried all the foods on the menu and I didn't have any favorites. We are taxiing to runway 16 and will be taking off first for Greece. Well, how it was. I went to the gate and was surprised to hear the flight W67749 was not cancelled and would be flown. I checked flight radar every single minute to get updates and I found out that all Star Alliance flights planned with arrival at HAM were cancelled, but the low-cost carriers were tending to divert the flights to other airports located nearby. A few minutes later, I found out I was flying to one of the least busy international German airports, LBC Airport in Lübeck, which is in Schleswig-Holstein, to the east of Kiel and to the northeast of Hamburg. was one of the most entertaining takeoffs I've ever experienced. SKP Airport is located in a town called Petrovets, 20 kilometers from Skopje city center to the east. The airport and Skopje are surrounded by beautiful mountains, Skopska Chernogora to the north and Goleshnica mountain to the southwest. Just look at the sunshine falling onto the Macedonian mountains. Wow! You are never tired of flying into the clouds, right?
Lübeck airport, where we have just now flight time remaining approximately 35 minutes, so this means that we will be landing to Lübeck 20 past 5 o'clock local time, and this is 1 hour and 5 minutes behind the original schedule to the Hamburg. Once again, apologies for this inconvenience today caused by the closure of the Hamburg airport, but I hope at least with Lübeck you will get a little bit closer to your final destination, whatever it's gonna be. Weather conditions just now in the Lübeck is cloudy skies, it's raining at the moment and temperature plus 10 degrees centigrade. Despite this change of destination and delay today, I hope you enjoyed this visit.
Landing in this moment. Thank you. Dame i gospoda, molim da ostanete sjednati i biliki na skoro statuame. Благодарíme.
We are now descending and preparing to land at LBC Airport on runway 25, which means we have Lübeck on the right side. Landed in Lübeck, or more precisely at LBC Airport. Wizz Air organized a complimentary shuttle transfer to Hamburg main train station, though it should have been HAM Airport according to the rules. For me, like for many other passengers, their choice was a better alternative.
The local time is 20 minutes past 5. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain switch off the fastest seatbelt sign for you and welcome to the final parking stop. Be careful when opening the overhead compartments. Things may fall out and cause injuries while more time. Check the content of the seat pockets in front of you for any personal belongings. And I remind you to need to keep all electronic devices in flight mode and to open the aircraft doors and smoking is allowed only smoking designated area materiał или kapuśnięto dozwolono самовозуете запущение на борт терминалната сграда. Днешният капитан и целият екипаж в Германия ви благодарим ви приятно. Дами и господа, висока летали се. Извините.
Well, that was a very unusual flight full of turnarounds. The gunman stayed on the Turkish Airlines aircraft for more than 18 hours, and then he gave up and was captured by police. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments if your flight has ever been diverted to another airport. Thanks for sharing and liking this video. See you on the next flight.